Hey guys, Vince here with my very first meal prep from EveryPlate. EveryPlate is a new meal delivery service. If you haven't heard of it, you should check it out. They have delicious meals that appeal to all different kinds of tastes, and it is one of the cheapest meal kit delivery services on the web. If you think you can't afford a meal kit delivery service, check out EveryPlate because they are making it super affordable so that everybody can cook and try different recipes in their home every week. This is the meal that I'm going to be making tonight. It is the cheesy beef stuffed peppers with garlic rice and lime sour cream. It looks delicious. I'm so excited to try it. Unfortunately, our cooking gas is off right now and it's not working in our whole building, and this recipe requires an oven. So I'm gonna head over to my neighbor friend's house. I've got everything prepped and ready to go, and all I have to do is throw it together in about 15 minutes. Stay tuned. It's actually the perfect night for this. I'm glad I get to leave the house and go on a nice walk. Beautiful night. So as I'm walking, I thought I would tell you a little bit more about EveryPlate. If you're curious, something's going down. Okay, as I was saying, if you want to try EveryPlate, your first box is just $18 if you use the link in the description box below. If you do any upgrades, it's just $3 per serving. I did one. If you check out my unboxing video in the card, you can see exactly what I got in this EveryPlate box. And now, it's time to cook. It's also extremely humid and I'm already sweating. Hi. So I'm now at my friend's house and they're filming for me, which is great because I always have to film myself. And now I have someone to film for me. So here's what I'm doing. I'm browning this meat. You see this? You got a good shot of that? Look at that. Delicious meat from EveryPlate. Ground beef, baby. We are done. I have prepared the cheesy beef stuffed peppers. Ta-da! And they were very small, but there is some meat left over. There's the rice is in here. I'm gonna plate everything up. This is only supposed to be 2 servings, and we're gonna have it between 3 people, so that's pretty awesome. All right, let's get this plated up. All right, there it is. We've got our cheesy beef stuffed pepper. We added a little avocado on the side, and there's a lime that you can squeeze. We also have some sangria, some hot sauce. We're gonna enjoy now. Put the camera away. Goodbye. If you want to try America's Best Value Meal Kit with pre-measured ingredients and filling recipes starting at just $4.99 a meal, then click the link in the description box to get started and you can get your first box for just $18. Customize your menu, skip weeks, and cancel anytime. Thanks for watching. See you next time.